Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your VW Jetta backseat. First, locate the release levers, usually found on the top outer edges of the rear seat backs. Pull these levers firmly to unlock the seat backs. Before folding, make sure to slide the front seats forward as much as possible to provide enough clearance for the rear seats to lay flat without obstruction. Once the seat backs are unlocked, gently push them downwards towards the floor of the car. You might need to apply a bit of firm pressure to ensure they fully recline. Confirm that both the driver's side and passenger's side seat backs are completely lowered and lying flat. Double-check for any items or obstructions that might prevent them from folding properly. With the rear seats folded down, you've now significantly expanded your Jetta's cargo capacity. This creates a much larger, flat loading area, perfect for transporting longer or bulkier items that wouldn't normally fit in the trunk alone. Remember to always secure any cargo to prevent it from shifting during transit, ensuring a safe journey. To return your rear seats to their upright position, simply lift each seat back firmly until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the latch mechanism has engaged securely. It's crucial to verify that both seat backs are fully locked into place for passenger safety. Finally, adjust your front seats back to your preferred driving position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.